our class, we go from Shirley Jackson. We deal with probably the most respected haunted house story in American literature, which is Beloved by Toni Morrison, who passed away just earlier this year, because what she's doing is using, again, like Pauline Hopkins, the history of slavery and what those ghosts are for all of our society, right? Because it's the story of a woman based on a true story, a woman who did not want her children to grow up in slavery. So she ran away with them, and when the master almost captured them, she wanted to kill her children rather than make them live as slaves. But she only succeeded in killing one of them before the rest were recaptured. And now she lives with a ghost of the little girl who is named Beloved because that's the only thing she could afford to put on the tombstone. Instead of Dearly Beloved, it's just Beloved, right? And so